Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
This is Maya's attraction. You'll have to come down. There is a verse in the Janne Ravindakha Vimuktamanina Tayyasta Bhavad Abhishuddha Buddhaya Arujjakitchena Parang Padang Tata Potanti Adha Anadita Jusmadanghaya. This is a prayer by Prahlad Maharaj. He says, my dear Lord, lotus-eyed Aravindakha, Je Anne, some third-class men, they are very much proud of ending this material life, this Nibbana, or this impersonalism. Vimuktamanina. Vimuktamanina, they are simply falsely thinking that they have surpassed the clutches of Maya. Falsely. Vimuktamanina. Just like if you falsely think that I am the proprietor of this Los Angeles city. Is it not your false thinking? Similarly, if anyone thinks that now I have attained Nirvana or I have merged into the Supreme, you may think like that. That Maya is very strong. You may be puffed up by such false prestige. Vimuktamanina. The Bhagavad says, Tai astabhavat abhishuddha buddhaya. But because they have not searched out your lotus feet, therefore their consciousness is impure. Thinking I am something. Abhishuddha buddha, their intelligence, consciousness is not purified. Therefore, ariyakitchena, they perform very severe practice. That's like the Buddhists, they have got very... Now, those are not practicing, that is different thing, but rules and regulations, Lord Buddha himself, he saw. He left his everything and became engaged in simply meditation. Who is doing that? Nobody is doing that. Shankaracharya's first condition is that first of all you take sannyas, then you talk of becoming Narayana. Who is taking sannyas? So they are simply falsely thinking. Actually their intelligence is impure. Consciousness is impure. Therefore, in spite of such endeavor, the result is Arujjakitchena Parang, although they go very high, say 25,000 miles or millions of miles up, they do not find any shelter. Where is moon, planet, where is sunset, they come down again to a Moscow city, that's all. Or New York City, that's all. These are the examples. When they're high up, they take photographs. This planet is so, this earthly planet is so green and so small, and going down day and night and seeing in 1 hour 3 times day and night. All right, very good. Please come down. That's all. Maya is so strong, she will say, yes, very good. You are very advanced in your scientific knowledge. But please come down. Come here. Otherwise, you are going to be put into the Atlantic Ocean. That's all. And they will still be puffed up. Oh, you are making progress. Within next 10 years, you can purchase ticket or land in the moon. In Russia they sold land. And they advertised that there is Sea of Moscow. We have plunged our flag on the sea, in These are propaganda. They cannot go even into the nearest planet, what to speak of the spiritual sky. If you are actually serious of going to the spiritual sky and Vaikuntha Loka, then take this simple method, Hare Krishna. That's all. This is the gift of Lord Chaitanya. Namo Mahavadannaya. Therefore, Rupa Goswami says, you are the greatest of all charitable persons. Because you are offering the greatest boon, Krishna Prema Pradha. You are offering love of Krishna, which will get me to the kingdom of Krishna. This is the greatest gift to the human society. But the foolish person, they do not understand it. What can we do? The Maya is very strong. If we say that here is a small booklet, easy journey to other planets, they will not take it. They'll make plan of how to go in other planet by Sputniks. It is impossible. You cannot go anywhere. That is our conditioned life. Condition means you must stay here. You must stay here. Who is allowing to go other planets? For coming to take the permanent visa of your country, I have to fight so much, and you are going to moon planet, there is no visa. They will allow you only to enter. It is so easy thing. But they foolishly think that simply I am the monarch of all I serve. That's all. This planet is the monarch and all other planets, they are all subservient. They will satisfy our senses. This is foolishness. All right, chant Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.